healing, he was receiving the positive energy and his legs and his knees started to shake, started to vibrate. So he was balancing his body for some time. Afterwards he could not balance, so he lied down. So as he lied down, his sukshma sharir, what you say, his astral body or whatever it is, it started traveling. It went to a beautiful forest where there was beautiful trees, big trees, garden, trees, flowers.
Flowers, birds.
Yeah, flowers, birds, everything was there. So he was enjoying the nature over there, and there was a beautiful waterfall, water stream.
Yes,
Waterfall was there. He enjoyed that also, and he could even hear to the flow of that water, and he was hearing this music also, which was played in the class. So in the meantime, Guruji told that it is a temperature of 50, and his breathing became very fast, and he felt very thirsty. And he wanted.
Very thirsty and very heartbeat. It's very too high.
Heartbeat also was very
And
high.
body also completely nervous and vibrate. I can't control that. Completely whole body shivering, nervous.
So after that, he felt that cold also, very cold.
Very.
Severe cold. And he felt as though something is pricking.
Yes.
Then
Hands.
And then
Hand.
afterwards,
Warm temperature.
he came to the normal temperature.
normal temperature and now return to high temperature. In high temperature, I don't have any heat feel. I am normal person, came to normal position, but also same pretty.
Thirsty.
Thirsty.
Very. And sometime what happened? Thousands in needles in hitching.
Pricking.
Hands.
No, needles.
Take it.
Touching. It's very irritated. And then my Guruji is
Who is your Guruji?
Manjunath Guruji. Yes, I have one Guruji.
Okay.
Then he blessing. He's called me Rajkumara. Rajkumara, I am here. Don't worry. Go to temple and take the bless the Bireshwara. Then after I'm come back. That time, full time I'm nervous. What happened?
Very good.